Welcome to PrairieGirlRocks. I'm looking extra bright and shiny today. Watch to find out why.
So the old saw is looking especially fresh and bright and shiny. It was like magic. I'd never show you this side of the saw usually. Usually it's such a mess, but look how bright and fresh and clean that surface is. Look at how bright and fresh and clean this is. And the boys built me, I know it's not the nicest fix in the world, but it did the weeble wobble before, so the guys built me some supports, and boy, she don't weeble wobble not even a little now. Not only did it get a new oil change and all the good stuff, but we're gonna try this new, instead of the old rope that was in there, the rope was always just saturated in oil and kind of gross. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna see how that plastic holds up to the oil and if that actually lasts or not, but I'm liking that a lot so far. It really slides a lot better, and it seems so far to be a whole lot less messy. So yeah, she's sitting pretty right now. Anyway, let's watch the whole thing go down. It was a lot of work.
Here, if we want consistency, 2 pilot holes over here. Yeah, let me see it. Is that? Okay, look out. Wait a minute. Is it even half-ass lined up back there?
Not really, but you know.
It isn't? Oh no, that's fine.
It should be angled down more.
Well,
either way, what can you do, eh?
we actually can't even arrange that because it's up against that board.
I'm seeing it.
So,
actually, I'm seeing it's up against the board there, so
yeah,
it's
that's fine. Okay.
Same,
Can I have a drill? And then one more in the edge here. Pilot hole it. Sturdy as hell now.
That is definitely the back. Oh, this thing sucks.
You got it.
Oh, it's so gross too.
Still.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Can't help but notice from this angle what a well-oiled piece of furniture that is.
Maybe not. I could probably pick the whole thing up if you wanted to try and run under. Or Caden and I.
Caden said he's coming. All right.
Any day now, buddy.
Right?
Ready? What do we think? Let's just pick it up. Sweet.
Yay!
Oh, that worked out pretty good. Okay.
Well, that's pretty good, man. Take the tape. What do I need the tape for?
Tape is
Is
out
at the
there.
top again. Remember what it was?
Me neither.
331. 32, I thought.
33.
33.
32 and 3/4, something like that.
Yeah. 41 and 33.
Call it 41. We can call it 33
33 and a half, 32 and a half.
or 32 and a half.
Real
Yeah.
short.
If it was long, would that be the end of the world? It would droop, which might defeat the purpose.
Kind of.
Alright, either
Oh,
way.
no, like that's all the way across, so it's not so long.
Oops.
And then maybe that corner is where it's going to touch again.
Yep. One of the cuts of all time.
And just check and see.
Then do
Going
this.
to go across. At least
Yeah, this much. Start right here.
down is the way.
Oh, come on. It's madness.
My turn.
Your turn?
Good turn. She's not wrong.
Where did that big black pair of scissors go?
I don't know, but there's another pair of tin snips down there with like a curve.
I'm winning.
What now?
I'm winning.
You're getting it? Are
Pretty
you winning
much.
with the winning stick? Or you figured it out? Okay.
Oh, that's so much more better.
Is it dangling?
It is.
Sweet. Awesome.
Not dangling.
Not dangling? Well, so we want the belt to line up perfectly, right?
Pretty much.
We do need the belt, Ski, to line up, Ski.
Do we want to pilot hole it? Probably.
Yeah, it's got a pretty big screw. See the screw down there?
Ooh.
It's all full of oil and running, woohoo! So clean in there. Oh, how nice is that, you guys? It's so nice. I love it. I really do. It's so nice. Look how happy she looks. She looks so happy. Ah, it feels good. It's just so much brighter and cleaner and more manageable than it was. It doesn't seem like a whole lot to put a fresh top on a table and all of that, you know, sturdy up the legs and things like that, but it just, it deserved every bit of that attention. Just a couple simple little changes made it more inviting and more user-friendly, and that always helps. Always helps a ton.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.
My kid put on the glasses, the magic recording glasses, and here's his point of view from wearing those. It's kind of fun to... I didn't know he was doing it till after he did it, so here's that footage.
Yeah.
Battery 100%.
That's speaking to you?
Okay, watch the motor. Watch motor.
Got it.
Okay.
Think it'll slide across here at all?
Pretty good.
Should hold it.
Wait.
Waiting.
It's good.
Cord.
Um,
Strings underneath. Yep.
there
Okay.
you go.
Get your feet. Hang.
Everybody
Yep.
looks
Go
good.
for it. That way.
You want to push more? I don't even. I have no idea where the motor's supposed to go, but we
Yep.
could put it anywhere.
That's
Go ahead and
fine.
like, okay, I got
That's
you.
fine.
Sweet,
That was not a good way to move that, son.
Well,
Okay. It's
there's
okay.
nothing for it.
We did it. It's fine.
sweet.
Sweet is right. A project of this size, of course there were bloopers.
Damn it! And would you put a screw on it?
Screw you.
At least drive me in right first. Get it. 210s here. Okay. Oops. No, this unvisited laser. Okay, hit it. Hold it tight. Okay, nabbing can't drill sometimes. Fast as she'll go. had to have it the right way first. I got purple spray paint if you want to make it purple, Mama.
What? I could? For real?
You could.
Like motor paint?
Yeah?
How fast does it dry?
I don't know.
I want to maybe use this saw later tonight.
No, but I don't know about tonight, but you can make it purple. You'd have to take it off the mount and... I don't know if it'll stay bad. There's a fucking cat out here.
Get the
Give me
cat.
something really light to throw at
Is it a black and white
Yeah,
cat?
it's
Just
a
chase
black
it.
cat.
Chase it.
I'd chase it with joy.
Some really light to throw at it.
That was my scary face.
It was really scary. It always feels less like work when everyone's doing it. That would have been a lot of work for me to do all by myself, and it actually was a lot of fun hanging out with the family. Thank you for joining us, and pretty rocks out on the prairie. Pretty rocks are everywhere. Pretty rocks for us to look at. Pretty rocks are everywhere. There's a pink one and a green one and a blue one and a yellow one, and they all are very pretty, and they all are everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching, and in a world where you can choose to be anything, choose to be kind of a rock hound.